In IIT Foundation Maths, so I'll discuss in this topic factors and multiples. So in this topic, I would like to complete the 6 topics here: prime factorization method, number of factors, and number of even factors, at the same time number of odd and sum of the factors and product of the factors. So these 6 topics without doing long method. So only the shortcut method, how to find out the number of factors and all even odd sum as well as the product. So before starting this and before explaining these all topics, let us see what is factors and multiples. So if you take a number 12, now this number 12 we can write 1 into 12. So product of two numbers, and 2 into 6, 3 into 4, again 4 into 3. Therefore the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 6 factors are there for number 12. So the numbers which are perfectly divisible by 12, they are all the factors. So these are the factors of the 12. If you take any other number, if you take 18, so 18 I can write in the product of two numbers in different ways, 1 and 18, because number 1 and itself are the common factors for any number. Number 1 and itself, these are the factors for any number. Then 2 into 9 is divisible by 3, 3 6 this much only. It's not divisible by 4 5, again 6 3s, it repeats. So number of factors for 18, there are 1 2 3 6 9 18. So these are the factors of 18. So in this shortcut method I explained, without doing this much long process, directly we can find out the number of factors also. Now for 12 there are number of factors total 6. 18 also number of factors are 6. So every number we have different number of factors are there. Now then multiples. So these are the factors. If you see the multiples, so this is the factors. Now multiples is just the multiplied with the same number. For example, if we take number 4, the numbers which are in 4 table, 4, 8, 12, 16. So these are all the multiples of 4. If you take 5, 5, 10, 15 and 20, 25, so on. These are all the multiples. Now multiples is not much different, much discussing here. So we'll see the factors first. To find out either number of factors or number of even or odd, we should know how to do prime factorization. So first I'll explain the prime factorization, and we'll see how to find out the number of factors without finding the factors individually. Let me take first prime factorization. So prime factorization, this thing you must know first, because if you know prime factorization only, you can find out the number of factors easily. Now for example, so now the 2 digits number, 1 digit number, easily we can write the factors, how many factors are there. But if the numbers are 2 3 4 digits, so big numbers, then it's very tough to find out each and every factor. Okay, let us test with some simple number is 28. Actually factors for 28 are, it is divisible, which are the numbers, it is divisible by 1 because 128, and 2, and it's not 3, again 4, not 5, 6, 7, 7 4s, then it's not 8, 9, 10, 11, and 14, 28. So okay, these are the factors of 28, 1 2 4 7 14 28. But in case we may miss sometimes when you are writing the factors, but number of factors are 1 2 3 4 5 6. Up to here number of factors are 6. So total there are 6 factors for 28. So my concept is here is without finding these factors individually, directly we have to find out by using this prime factorization method. That is number of factors. First you will see how to do prime factorization. If any number is given, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on, which are not divisible by any number, and they are the prime numbers except 1 and itself. Now using these prime numbers, we have to divide this given number 28. Now first prime is 2, so I am dividing with 2. If it is not divisible by 2, then I go for next prime number. 2 14s are 28. Again 2 is possible, so 2 7s are 14, and now it's not divisible by 3 5 because 7 is prime number and 7 1 is 7. So finally 28 I can write in the form of product of primes is 2 into 2 into 7. So if you write in the power notation, 2 to the power 2 into 7 to the power 1. So 28 I can write in the form of product of the primes is this. So now this out the making like this prime factorization notation you must know. Then only you can find out the number of factors. So let me take one more example for prime factorization, then explain the how to find out number of factors. 28. Let us take some big number. Okay, previous example only I will take and check. That is 12. Otherwise, take 120. So 120 will divide with 2 is divisible by 2, right? 2 60s and 230, 2 15s are 30. It's not divisible by 2, next to 3. 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Finally 120 I can write 2 3 times. So 2 power 3, 3 only one time into 5 to the power 1. So 120 in the form of product of prime numbers is this, and 28 is this. So after finding product of prime numbers using prime factorization method, then we can find out the sum of the factors without finding individually like this, without writing like this, how to find out directly this number. So I'll explain now. So our first topic is number of factors. So number of factors we'll see. Number of factors of a given number. So first we need to do this prime factorization method. So I have done already. Now 28 is equals to 2 power 2 into 7 power 1. So 28 is equals to 2 to the power 2 into 7 to the power 1. Now directly number of factors of 28. Now these powers are there are here 2 and 1. Only you should take the powers and add one number for every power. Now I am taking these powers 2 and 1 because 2 is one power and here 1 is one more power. Don't see the basis, only for powers 2 and 1. Now for every power you add one number you should add for every power, then just multiply this. 2 plus 1 is 3 into 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 3s are 6. So there are 6 factors for 28. You check this one more example. Now we did in previous 120 is equals to 2 power 3 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Okay, that is 120. We just previous 120 is equals to 2 to the power 3. because 2 is multiplied 3 times. 3 power 1, 5 power 1 into 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1. Now according to the formula, number of factors, only we should take all the powers, not the base. Number of factors of 28, or number of factors for 28 is, just write all the powers, 3 1 1. So this 3 1 1, this powers you write. Then we need to add 1 1 for every power, plus 1 plus 1 and plus 1. Then you can multiply these all. Bracket is nothing but you can multiply. So 3 plus 1 is 4 into 1 plus 1 is 2 into 1 plus 1 is 2. 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Number of factors of 120. So this is 120. We are doing for 120. Number of factors of 120 is now 16. So there are 16 factors we can make if you write all the factors of 120. So when the numbers are big, it's very hard to find out the factors individually. So directly we can find out all number of factors for 120 is 16. Then we can write as the formula like this. Now I can make formula for this. So formula is simple. So just we took, if n is the number, so number of the factors, we should write it's a prime factors. Let it be some n. N is a number after making the product of prime factors. So prime numbers are, let a b c, a b c, some d, so on. Now powers are p q r s. In case just making formula, the power is p q r s. If n is equal to a power p into b power q into c power r into d power s and so on. Then number of factors are p plus 1 into q plus 1, because we should add only 1 for all the powers and we should multiply s plus 1 and so on. So this we can make it as a formula for this. Now this is for number of factors. Clear? Now we'll see the number of even factors. So there are some even factors also. Now you see the previous example, even and odd factors, because even plus odd together is number. So instead of finding even factors, it's better easy to find out the odd factors first. Then even we can subtract from the total. Now this example in 12, odd factors are 1, 3. 1 and 3 are odd factors. In this 18, 1, 3, 9 also, there are odd factors. So from the total factors, how to find out the odd factors also directly. We'll check now. Number of odd factors. So number of odd factors. Number of odd factors of a given number. Now this formula also simple. Only we should take the powers for odd bases, odd factors. That is simple. Let me explain example first. Now if you take 12 factors, we got 1 2 3 4 6 12. For 12 I got factors are 1 2 3 and 4 6 12. 4 6 12. In this odd factors are 1 and 3, so 2 are there, and this even are the remaining 4 are there. Therefore total factors is equal to 6. But 12 after making in product prime factorization. Anything we need to know first prime factorization. Now let us take 12 prime factorization. 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6, and 3 1 is 3. So finally 12 I can write 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1. So for all the factors you take every power and plus 1. But for odd factors we will take only odd base powers. Number of odd factors. So odd bases are only 3. So only 3 is the odd base. So for 3 whatever power that we can take. 1 and extra just add 1. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So there are 2 odd factors. Okay, check with that 18 also. Now we'll check. Now already we did previous 18. We have factors 1 2 3 6 9 18. So there are 3 odd factors for this. 1 3 9 odd factors. Now we'll check with 18. So using prime factorization method, 2 9s are and 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are. So finally 18 I can write 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 2. So number of odd factors are only odd base. Base should be odd. Now 3 is the base number. 3 is the this base is a odd number. So power is 2. Then for 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. So I'll get the 3 factors which are odd. Then even factors is just total minus odd. Then we'll get the even factors. Now we'll check this 120 also. Now 120 we got. We are writing the product of prime factors 2 power 3 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. So the number of odd factors are only odd bases. Except 2, all will get remaining all prime numbers are base only. That means except to 2, the rest of all we can take. So 3 is the base and 5 is also the base. That is both are odd numbers. Now odd numbers powers are 1 and 1. So 1 and that 1. Then addition of 1 number extra is a common for all. Take plus 1 and plus 1. Okay, if the total factors means every power will take. If odd number factors, only the odd basis powers will take. 2 into 2, that is 4. So in this total 16, number of odd factors are 4. Then number of even factors 16 minus 4, that is 12. So number of even factors are 12, number of odd factors are 4, then total factors are 16. So this is a even, odd and total. Clear? Even and odd. Next we will see the sum of the factors. Sum of the factors of a given number. So let me explain this. This is important. Sum of the factors of a given number. Without finding the factors only, we can find out all the sum of the factors. Okay, how to find out the sum of the factors of a given number? We'll check with one example previous. 12 factors are 1 2 3 4 6 12, right? 1 2 3 4 6 12. For 12 the factors are 1 2 3 4 6 12. We need to do sum of this. Now let us check first how much you get it. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 and plus 12. 3 6 12 24 and 28. So sum we are getting 28 for total. So this is very tough always to writing all the factors and adding all the factors. Without doing this, let me explain the formula for this first. So any number is given, we have to write in the prime factorization notation as it. Therefore n is a number, we should write in the product of prime notation, that is a to the power p into b to the power q into c to the power r into d to the power s, so on. How many are there? It will cut. So in this, sum is equals to a to the power p, power should add 1 plus 1 and that number minus 1. I'll explain with example also. Then b to the power q plus 1 minus 1, c to the power r plus 1 minus 1, and d to the power s plus 1 minus 1 all divided by a minus 1, b minus 1, c minus 1 and d minus 1, if it is only a b c d as a basis. Now sum is equal to this. So now in this formula, let us check with our number 12. So we got 12 factors. Always you should do prime factorization method to find out the base and powers. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are, and 3 1s are. So 12 I can write 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1. Now according to this the power formula. So 2 power 2, 3 power 1. So 12 I can write 2 to the power, yeah, this is 2 power 2 into 3 power 1. 3 to the power 1. But after adding I got all sum is 28. Now we'll check this formula will apply whether you'll get 28 or not. Now according to the formula, if you applied, sum is equals to 8 to the power p plus 1, that is 2 to the power 2 and plus 1 then minus 1, just as it is. 3 to the power 1 for plus 1 and minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into 3 minus 1. Let us simplify this. 2 to the power 2 plus 1, 2 power 3 minus 1 and 3 power 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. Simplify with one more step. 2 power 3, that is 8. 8 minus 1 into 3 power 2 is 9. 9 minus 1 by 2 ones are 2. 8 minus 1 7. 9 minus 1 8 by 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2 fours are. Now 7 into 4, that is equals to 28. Yes, we got the same 28. So this formula you can apply 28 and 28. This is the formula for applying the sum of the factors. Okay, for your convenience, let me explain with one more example. We will check live example. This is 18. Okay, we got powers, no factors we got 1 2 3 6 9 18. So add this 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 18, 30 plus 9, so total 39. Add this all the factors. Now we'll check with 18. So 18 factors, when I do addition I got 39. Now we will use this formula. So first of all 18 we should write in the product of prime numbers. 2 9s are 18 and 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are. So 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 2, that is equals to 18. Therefore sum is equals to So sum of factors of 18. This is 2 power 1 into 3 power 2. Just we have to add 1 for every power. 2 to the power 2 minus 1 into 3 to the power 3 minus 1, because this 1 and 2 extra plus 1 divide by 2 minus 1 into 3 minus 1. Basis as it is, you can write as the denominator. 4 minus 1 into 3 power 3. So there is a 9, 9 3 is a 27 minus 1 by 1 into 2. 4 minus 1 is 3, 27 minus 1 is 26 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 13 is 13 3 is a 39. Yes, we'll get same. So 18, sum of the 18 factors is 39. That is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. These all add, if you do, you'll get 39. So this is a shortcut trick to find out the sum of the factors of a given number. Okay, next. Product of the factors. So how to do product of the factors also after multiplying? So without to multiplying each and every factor, directly if the number is given, how to find out the product of the factors. Okay, this also explained in the form of formula only. Product of the factors. Okay, we'll take one example same as 12. That's 12. Product of the factors. Product of factors of a given number. So let us take that number is 12 before. Taking 12, the 12 factors are 1, 2, 3, and we got 4, 6, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the product of the factors of 12. And 12 prime factorization notation, if you do, that is 2 6 are 12, 2 3 is a 6, and 3 1 is a 3. So 12 we can write 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1. Then we have the product of this formulas. So I'll write this formula first. Capital N, so small n is equals to total number. Actually, okay, let me explain formula. Formula for this is product capital N to the power small n by 2. So in this, capital N is equal to given number. Capital N is the given number, and small n is equals to the number of factors. Number of factors we need compulsory finding the product of factors. Now number of factors formula, just adding the powers 1, like we have checked starting, that every power we can add 1. So number of factors are 1 2 3 4 5 6. So number of factors are 6 in this. Okay, number of factors are is equal to 6, and the given number is 12. Now according to formula, 12 to the power n by 2, 6 by 2. So 12 to the power 3, that is 12 into 12 into 12. This is the product of all the factors of this. We can do checking also, that is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 6 into 12. 2 3 is a 6, 6 4 is a 24 into 6 into 12. 24 into 6, 144 into 12. Same, 12 into 12 is 144 into 12. You'll get same number. 144 into 12, you can multiply. 288, 144, 8, 12, 1728. That is 12 cube. 1728 is the total factors product of total factors. So just this is the formula: n capital N to the power n by 2. N is a capital N is a given number and small n is the number of factors. Number of factors, your formula you write. Just we have explained previous, no? Number of factors. So what we use this you can apply. Then we'll get the sum of the factors and product of the factors also. Okay, in this I explained till now prime factorization. So prime factorization is compulsory for all. Then number of factors, even, odd, and sum of the factors and product of the factors. Even you check with 18. 18 number of factors are 6. Then 18 to the power 6 by 2. Same 18 cube. This is equals to product of all the factors of 18. So we can apply this formula for the product of the numbers. Okay, I hope you understood well. And the important thing is please subscribe this channel, because I'll upload only the videos which are useful for IT Foundation as well as educational videos only. And if you want to go through some more problems which are related to the factors as well as ICSE, CBSE, SSC and Inter, this website foundationforit.com. So in this website is completely free. You'll see all the information which are related to the test papers, model papers, including your school syllabus. You can find out everything in this. So don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. I hope you understood everything is well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.